Hello, welcome to my channel Everyday Hacks. Often it happens that in a hurry we accidentally unsave the word file. The hours of hard work that we had put in preparing the file will go in a vain. Now you don't have to worry about it anymore because today I'm gonna show you how can you get back your unsaved word file within a blink of your eye. You don't even have to install any application for that. So I'll show you how to do that. How does it work with the help of an example? So let's get started. I'll open the Word. We'll type something here. For example, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Everyday Hacks. Next, what I do is I'll close the Word and I'll click on Don't Save. I said I'm gonna click on Don't Save. Next, to get that file which I accidentally closed, I'll go to this PC. So you too have to go to this PC on your laptop. And in a search bar you have to type .asd and enter the enter button. It will take a little time. You don't have to do anything here. Just wait till this loading gets completed. You can also minimize this and you can do any other work. You just have to wait, be patient. You will get all your previous work back. Oh, I got one file of 19 December 2019. Let's wait for some more time till this search periods get end. Oh, here it is. Please like Wala file. Let's wait again. There must be some more file. It's loading. If you get the file, you can click on it. Otherwise, you can also wait till this loading periods get end. I have already got my file, so I'll open it. See here. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Everyday Hacks. This is it. You can click on save as and you can save this file. After you recover your video, you just have to save it. So guys, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with a new video soon. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.